Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. I want to tell you about a book that's actually quite fun and really helpful, especially if you are studying project management or planning to lead a project someday. It's called Project Management Bootcamp, a step-by-step guide by Peter Cross, published in 2023. Now, I know the word bootcamp might sound intense, but don't worry, this is not tough manual or boring textbook. It's more like a friendly guide that shows you how to manage a project step by step, from start to finish. And trust me, the language is simple, the examples are real, and the advice is easy to follow. The author, Peter Cross, has a lot of experience in managing real projects in IT, construction, and business change. He also helps fix projects when they start going off track. So the advice in this book is based on what actually works, not just theory. What I really enjoy about this book is how it turns project management into something manageable. You won't feel overwhelmed. It starts from the very beginnings, how to get your project moving in the right direction from day one. Then it walks you through writing a clear and convincing business case so that your project has purpose and support. You will learn how to bring the right people into your team and actually keep them working together. Not always easy, right? It also shows how to spot risks early and how to deal with changes without letting the whole plan fall apart. One part I found very useful was on tracking progress. Peter keeps it realistic. He knows we don't want to be stuck writing reports all day, so he shares ways to monitor things without losing your time. And when the project is done, he explains how to close it properly so everything wraps up and nothing is left hanging. There's even a section called Project First Aid for when your project starts to fall apart. Super useful, right? So Peter also shares something called the 4-document set: your business case, project brief, project plan, and initiation document. These are really useful tools, and he explains them in a simple way. What I love most is that the book doesn't try to be too academic or formal. It feels like you are learning from someone who's been through it all. So the examples are real, the tone is friendly, and there are checklists and templates you can actually use in your assignments or group projects. So, if you want something easy to read, full of tips you can use right away, and maybe even help you avoid mistakes in your next project, go borrow this book, Project Management Bootcamp by Peter Cross. We have more than 20,000 printed books covering a wide range of topics and 30 electronic databases consisting of e-books and e-journals, audiovisual collections, OUM repository, seminar papers, and theses. 95% of the digital library's collections is in the form of e-books and e-journals. There are 190,000 e-book titles and over 55,000 e-journals titles can be accessed through the digital library portal. Give it a go. I think you will really like it. Thanks for listening.